also basically there are so many application or the ERP application in the market. We can say it is Oracle application, Oracle PeopleSoft, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle JDE, SAP, Oracle Sibyl. Okay, so previous to this, Oracle has not acquired this PeopleSoft, JDE, Sibyl. Okay, and later on, they had acquired this application or the ERP products, and they are now in the umbrella of Oracle. So like with the advent, it comes like many organizations are using different and different ERPs for their specific purpose, and this makes the complication of bringing the all data into the financial, we can say, or for the reporting purpose, because it is the finance which is generating the end-to-end reports for the point of view of the finance of the business or the organization. So it is very much like all the transaction which is in financial nature should be clubbed in a single place. Okay, so with that need, like the existing ERPs, if let's say if PeopleSoft is used by the organization for the human capital management, and let's say if SAP they are organization is using for the sales and distribution, Civil they are using for the CRM, because these are the expert area of this product, or we can say this product is providing the expertization in this area. And if we can see this table, so these are the ERP which is used by for an example, these ERPs are used by the organization or the client for this particular solutions. Okay, so it is very tough for the organization to club all the things in a single repository. So they need to work on the many integrations, which are the basically the custom things which are moving the data from one product or the one database to the another database. Now we can understand, like if we are saying it is Oracle Sibyl, so definitely it have its own three-tier application, like the client application and the database. And if we want to like bring all the data together in a single repository, so we need to integrate the database of the Sibyl to the Oracle application, for an example, because Oracle application is having the expert area in the financial. So let's say if the CRM or the change request management transaction, which is having some, for example, in change request management, we are having the data of the supplier and the customer and the employees, for example. Okay, so this CRM should act as a master for this three identity, the supplier, the customer, and the employees. And from here only, the data will move into the financial, because Oracle Financial, for an example, if we are dealing with the account receivables, and this comes under the financial, so the customer data should be there in the financial. And for that we need to integrate the Oracle Sibyl database with the Oracle application database. In Oracle application we do have account receivable application, or the module we can say, and within this account receivables we do have the standard customer functionality, we can say. Okay, we can create the customer there also. So there exists the database of the customer, and for the sales invoices data, for an example, we do need the customer data, which should be there in the Oracle application database also. Okay, so we need to bring the data from the Oracle Sibyl database into the Oracle receivables under the Oracle EBS. So here we need to create the integrations, which is like some custom integration should be needed to create it, and this is a complicated thing. So for easing the things, what does Oracle has done in the upcoming version, or like with the Fusion, they have set up some kind of standard structure or the framework within their database, so that the working with the different application will be much easier as compared to Oracle EBS. Okay, that's why the term Fusion come, because like what does Oracle has done, they had first, like they had acquired the Sibyl, they had acquired the JDE, they had acquired the PeopleSoft with their we can say with their understanding of the framework and the architect of this application. They had developed the Fusion application, which is providing like the optimum solution within the Fusion itself. Okay, so this is the we can say the term Fusion, where it comes from. Okay, and now if I will compare very shortly between the this EBS and Fusion application. So let's say in Oracle EBS, if we are talking about, it is Oracle 12.1.3, the very old version of the Oracle, and with that it is Oracle 2.11 also, which is the latest update which has come in the R12 series. So in Oracle R12, in short, there is Oracle Forms. So user interface is of Oracle Forms and the web pages, where the majority of the things are on the Oracle Forms. And in Fusion R13, if we say, there is a framework basically for the pages, and with this framework they have the web pages. So the entire application is developed using the Oracle application framework or ADF pages. Okay, and they are using like this three, if we say Oracle EBS, Oracle Fusion R13, Oracle Cloud, are using the object oriented programming. Okay, and Fusion application itself is having the OF pages, ADF, or we can say like basically they are using the ADF, which is the framework for the development of the pages, which we can say application development framework. Okay, now we will say as a functional consultant, what are the different roles and responsibilities which the Oracle Fusion SCM person should have. Okay, so we can say there would be some different roles, some nomenclature will be different. We can say like it is Oracle SCM consultant, Oracle Fusion SCM consultant, or likewise Oracle SCM functional. So basically, if we say like the most important part, or the if some expert resources is there, so they will be involved in the request for proposal. Okay, like if we are starting some if we do have some project and we are working from the scratch, so we or the functional consultant should work preparing the RFP, which is basically like the request for proposal, and it includes like the basic business requirement about the business, understanding the basic business requirement of the organization on the basis of the request pre documents which start with the tendering process for a foreign project. Okay, and by reading this RFP and by preparing this RFP, then they later they will like do the planning and designing of the application as an architect. And we can say like the role of architect and fusion consultant would be different, or a fusion consultant itself as an Oracle architect is working, and they need to do the planning and design of the application, like how basically the business requirement will be mapped to the standard Oracle product, and like how many of the business requirement can be fulfilled by the within the Oracle Fusion standard product. Okay, without much customization or the personalization. So basically, what this term customization means. So let's say if there is some business requirement which Oracle Fusion as a product is not able to fulfill. Okay, so or let's say there is some minor changes are there. They can use, or the business requirement can use the standard functionalities, but it should be needed to be customized. Okay, so for that reason, there is a like possibility to personalize the thing within the Oracle Fusion. So they can use the customization and personalization feature of the Oracle Fusion, and they can adjust the business requirement as per the standard functionality of the Oracle Fusion. So this would be the one thing. Second thing, like there is a complete change in the like the requirement or the need of the customer. What I can say, the requirement and the need of the business will demand a complete change which is not supported by the Oracle Fusion. So in that case, there is a need to develop a custom web page and a custom like entire thing, the application logic, the database logic, and the user interface logic is completely changed. So we need to, within the application development framework, the technical person will develop the things whose design will be given by the architect or the Oracle functional consultant. Okay, so by this means we can use the Fusion as a standard product, like 80 or we can say 70 or 80% the business requirement should be meet with the standard product of the Oracle, and some of the things can be developed by the technical team with the help of technical team as a custom requirement, as the custom business requirement. Okay, this part is clear.
Yeah, yeah.
And so these are the basic responsibilities or the activities which the function consultant will perform, like the communication and coordination with the client so that they can gather the requirements, then doing the analysis part, then preparing the documents like business requirement document, SRS, SDD, or we can say like functional design document or the technical design document also, and mapping of this requirement into the Oracle
Which,
product.
so
Uh,
BRD is your requirement document. SRD is what?
okay, I will just give a full name of this also. So basically, this business requirement document, and this is the system requirement specification, and SDD is the system design document.